Alright, unboxing video here. So I forgot to pack my adapter for my Acer computer. In this video we're going to not only unbox this but see if it's compatible with this 22-inch 75 Hertz Acer computer that I have. Alright, so here is the device. Let's try and get a little better light. Now I was amazed how difficult it was to figure out, what would work with my monitor. And all you see on the back is basically this: 12 volts, 2 amps. And I did actually get something at Walmart that does work. Cost me $18.88, where this was only $7.99, and it has a much longer cord. So this is a lot better in that aspect, especially when you have difficulties finding cords, or outlets in a hotel room. So let's go ahead and plug it in. Alright, so there you go. You see there's a blue light on it when it is plugged in. And then here is the monitor. Unplug the $18 Walmart adapter, which I'll probably take back if this works. And voila, folks. So this will power up the monitor up here. There we go. So exactly what we wanted to see, and we're good to go. So for whatever it was, $7.99 plus if you're Prime member, free shipping, you can get your power or your monitor powered back up. Thanks for checking out the video. Please like, please subscribe.